Phaos aims to provide optical solutions that are faster, better, and cheaper than our competitors. And we do so by using our patented and proprietary technology that allows us to see below the optical limit of 200 nanometers at a fraction of the cost of what other technologies can do. There's always the need for the ability to see smaller. The world is constantly looking for smaller technologies. For instance, semiconductors are getting smaller. Viruses that we need to see are also getting smaller. And therefore, there is always this need for optical microscopy to be able to see smaller particles, nanotechnology, and viruses and bacteria. And it is because of that, that is why we have developed this technology to create value for our customers. We envision ourselves to be able to create optical microscopies that is affordable for the mass research market, mass innovation market. That's what we aim to do. Our optical microscopy solution is very much like the eyes of a human. It's able to see, observe. But that's what it can do, just observe. What we envision, our next step for our company, is to provide an ability to analyze, to make sense of the observations that are being made by our solutions. And that's why we are using computer vision. Computer vision is akin to the brains of a human. It analyzes solutions, it analyzes pictures, it analyzes and gives measurements. It allows us to give measurements to our customers. And that's how we use computer vision to add value to our technology for our customers. The Opto Nano 200 microscopy is the world's first optical microscope that's able to see beyond the optical limit. It is in the realm of what we call super resolution. And there is a lot of growth area in semiconductor, biomedical, nanotech. These are the cutting edge technologies that the whole world is looking for. And what we want to do is to use our technology to be able to allow even more breakthroughs in such innovations, in these areas of innovations. We want to be able to be the beacon of light for the industry. And we see that we are able to provide the possibility of leading in optics industry growth in Singapore. That's what we hope to do. Winning the SBR Technology Excellence Award is a humbling honor. We strive to provide the best solutions that we can for our customers. And this is a testament of the effort and the support that we get from not only our customers, but our stakeholders and our partners. So this is really wonderful opportunity for us to share with the world that we have done something really good. It is something that we are really proud of, and we hope that we can continue our mission to serve our customers and our partners even better. We take this to strength and hope that we can do better next time.